the fixation, that what is the meaning of fixation, that copyright is for expression, but that expression, it may be in the writing form, it may be the like that music, or it may be a picture or a video, it may be choreography. So it should be fixed on the tangible medium. That is very important. If it is not fixed on tangible medium, you cannot say that copyright infringement happened, because if you say I am thinking of something writing and that whole draft is in my like mind, I am just thinking about it, I have like that particular thing is there, but you have not fixed on a tangible material, then such writing you cannot like go to the any enforcement agency for enforcing your rights. So fixation is a very important. We also know that there is a automatic protection to the copyright. We will go little more detail later into that when we will discuss